In this video, we are going to see that if we want to check the laptop battery health in Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to the start menu and right here, CMD, which is for the command prompt. And once we have this open, just right click on that and click on run as administrator, click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit for you because we are going to paste a command that you can find with the description of this video. So let's copy that, paste it right here, hit enter, and it says and shows the path where the report is saved. So let's copy this path, go to the file explorer, and from the URL just start follow this path. Otherwise you can just go directly from C, Windows, and System32. Here is System32, and we want to find the battery report, right? Just make sure you sort it by type, or otherwise we can just search for the battery report. Here is one that we have just recently saved. Just open this up and you can see it shows the computer name, VM name, connected status, recent usage in the AC/DC power sources, when it was suspended or idle, the usage history, the charge capacity, and you can also see the life estimates of the battery. And here it says no batteries are currently installed because we have extracted this report on a VM. Let's try pasting the same command on our main system, and we will go from here to Windows System32 and let's search for battery. It's actually saved to some other location, C users and SAD N, and here is our battery report. Let's open this up, and here it shows all the consumption and the history. As you can see, the battery, this one is installed, design capacity is this, and the cycle count is 165. This is the status, connected, active, standby, whatever we have done on this battery. Battery usage over last 7 days is this. Battery range is 97%, which is not good. We need to reconnect the charger on 50% of the battery. That should be done. This is the battery capacity history. And you can check the life estimates as well. At full charge, it gives a charging of 2 hours and 13 minutes. As a design capacity is this, and this is all the complete history. You can just check it in detail, but this is how you can extract the battery health report in Windows 10 or 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, just comment down below and I will see you in the next one.